আজি আমি 75টা জিকে কোৱেশ্চন চাম জিকে আৰু ইংলিছ সো ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল হোৱাট ওয়াজ দ্য একচুৱেল নেম অফ কোচ কিং নৰনাৰায়ণ প্ৰকৃত নাম আছিল মল্লদেৱ চুকাফা এন্টাৰ্ড ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভেলী ইন দ্য ইয়াৰ চুকাফাই ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ উপত্যকাত প্ৰকাশ কৰিছিলে 1228 খ্ৰীষ্টাব্দত হু ইনিচিয়েটেড দ্য পাইক সিস্টেম ইন আহোম কিংডমত পাইক প্ৰথা কোনে আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলে মোমাই তামুলী বৰবৰুৱা Which Hindu title was accepted by Sohumong? Sohumong গ্ৰহণ কৰা হিন্দু উপাধিটো কি আছিল? সৰ্বনাৰায়ণ Which Ahom king started the tradition of হিঙৰিঘৰ উঠা? হিঙৰিঘৰত উঠা উৎসৱ কোনজন আহোম ৰজাৰ দিনত আৰম্ভ হৈছিল? শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব সুদাংফাৰ দিনত হয়গ্ৰীৱ মাধৱ মন্দিৰ is located on which hill? হয়গ্ৰীৱ মাধৱ মন্দিৰ কোনটো পাহাৰৰ ওপৰত অৱস্থিত? মণিকোট Which of the following strait separates Arabia and Africa and joins the Red Sea and Persian Gulf? তলৰ কোনটো জলদ্বীপে আৰব আৰু আফ্ৰিকাক পৃথক কৰি লোহিত সাগৰ আৰু পাৰস্য উপসাগৰৰ সৈতে মিলি যায় তো ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব বাব-উল মান্দাব The city located on the bank of Gomti is Gomti নগৰৰ পাৰত অৱস্থিত নগৰখন কি লক্ষ্ণৌ Which of the following is a ব্লক মাউণ্টেইন ভোজগেছ হ'ল এটা স্তূপ পৰ্বত ব্লক মাউণ্টেইন Which of the following district of Assam does not have any international boundary with Bangladesh? অসমৰ কোনখন জিলাৰ বাংলাদেশৰ লগত কোনো আন্তৰ্জাতিক সীমা নাই এটো খুদিয়ে থাকে হাইলাকান্দি হ'ব Which of the following is not a south bank tributary of the Brahmaputra river? Manas Section 33 of the Aadhaar Act, which was seen in the news, is associated with which action? বাতৰিটো দেখা পোৱা আধাৰ আইনৰ ধাৰা 33 পদটো পদক্ষেপৰ সৈতে সম্পৰ্কিত কোনটো পদক্ষেপৰ সৈতে ডিসক্লোজাৰ অফ ইনফৰমেশন তথ্য প্ৰকাশ পদক্ষেপৰ সৈতে সম্পৰ্কিত He is short test funds তো ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধটো হ'ব অফ He is short of funds What would you like dash more tea? It over would you like some more tea? Find the synonyms of boisterous. Your uttotto over exuberant. Synonyms of boisterous, exuberant. He had to eat humble pie for his rudeness. Eat humble pie. It is fresh and idiom হয় তো apologize eat humble pie apologize since the voice his conduct annoyed me I was annoyed at his conduct Guru Tegh Bahadur the 9th Guru of the Sikh religion was beheaded on the orders of which Mughal emperor নৱম শিখ গুৰু টেগ বাহাদুৰক কোনজন মোগল সম্ৰাটৰ নিৰ্দেশত শিৰচ্ছেদ কৰা হৈছিল ঔৰংজেব The construction of which of the following famous historical monuments was started by Qutubuddin Aibak but finished by Iltutmish তলৰ কোনটো বিখ্যাত স্থাপত্য শিল্পৰ নিৰ্মাণ কাৰ্যৰ আৰম্ভণি হৈছিল কুতুবুদ্দিন আইবাকৰ দ্বাৰা কিন্তু সম্পূৰ্ণ কৰিছিলে ইলতুতমিছে এটো হ'ব কুতুব মিনাৰ Which dynasty ruled over Magadha after Mauryan dynasty? মৌৰ্য ৰাজবংশৰ পিছত কোন ৰাজবংশই মগধৰ ওপৰত শাসন কৰিছিল? Sunga dynasty. Ashoka sent missionaries to which place? অশোকে মিশনাৰীসকলক কোন ঠাইলৈ পঠিয়াইছিলে? টিবেট আৰু চেলন লৈ পঠিয়াইছিলে। The rock which was auctioned recently for USD 18.8 million is a শেহতীয়াকৈ 18.8 নিযুত আমেৰিকান ডলাৰত নিলাম কৰা দ্য ৰক হৈছে এক কি ডায়মণ্ড Who among the following published প্ৰবুদ্ধ ভাৰত হ'ব স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ Who among the following gave the call for Rakhi Bandhan as a token for Hindu Muslim unity নিম্নলিখিত কোনে হিন্দু মুছলিম ঐক্যৰ বাবে ৰাখি বন্ধন আহ্বান জনাইছিলে ৰবীন্দ্ৰনাথ টেগৰ Who among the following was the last Viceroy of British India? Lord Mountbatten. Vande Mataram was first sung at the session of Indian National Congress in 1896. Find the antonym of tot. To go slack. He is a man of dash words. He is a man of few words. It rains since this morning. It has been raining since this morning. In which district of Assam, Nagazari Khanikar Gao rock inscription was discovered? Rock inscription. Nagazari Khanikar Gao Prostor Hilalipi Kunjon Jilat Kunkhon Jilat Kunkhon hobo sorry de Jilat Uddhar hoisil Golaghat. Name the first rock inscription that used Assamese language. Kanai Borokhi Boa Hilalipi. Aru etu kot ase Guwahati ase. In which of the following site Hindus, Buddhists and Jains all pay pilgrimage? Sri Surya Pahar. Which of the following is believed as the Madam of Sati Jaimati? Tolor kuntu sthanok Sati Jaimati Samadhi Sthal boli biswas kora hoy? Phakua Dol. Kesare Hind, recently seen in news, is a butterfly. United Nations 2021 United Nations Climate Change Conference, more commonly referred as COP26, was held in Glasgow, Scotland. What was COP stand for? Conference of Parties. Pakhomohor Honmilan. How many sustainable development goals are there? 17. India's first national park is Jim Corbett National Park. আৰু ইয়াৰ জিম কৰবেট নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্কৰ আৰু এটা নাম কি আছিলে আপোনালোকে কমেণ্ট বক্সত কমেণ্ট কৰিব ঠিক আছে which rocket was used by Mongolian mission PSLV who is the new chairman of ISRO S Somnath what does N in N95 mask refers to known well for what duration the election of member of Rajya Sabha is done 6 years. The speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called casting vote. What is the maximum gap period between two sessions of parliament? 6 months. Which among the following is the correct age of retirement of Judge of Supreme Court? 65 years. আৰু যদি খুদে প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট তেতিয়াহ'লে no age limit. How many female Chief Justice of India have been there since independence? None of the above. Which type of writs is not used under Indian Constitution? Injunction. Anti-defection law is given in which schedule of Indian Constitution? 10th schedule. Anti-defection law, 10th schedule. The Indian Constitution declares India as all of the following except communist. Part 18 of the Constitution deals with emergency provision. The money bill can be presented in the State Assembly with prior authorization of Governor of the state. Vayam Rakshama or We Protect is the scheme of which armed force of India? Indian Coast Guard. What is the objective of intensified mission Indradhanush 4? Tigro mission Indradhanush 4.0 উদ্দেশ্য কি? Universal immunization. What is the name of the first indigenous drug to treat COVID-19 being developed in India? WinCoV-19. Which Indian state UT declared Blue Duke in the state butterfly? Sikkim. The Unbox Me campaign, which was launched recently, is associated with which day? International Transgender's Day of Visibility. Abhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated in Assam on which date? 3rd September. Durand Cup to be hosted by Assam for the first time in its history is associated with which sports? Football. Commonwealth Games gold medalist PV Sindhu is associated with which sports? Badminton. Which of the following is not a direct tax? Goods and Services Tax, GST. Which of the following countries is the highest exporter of rice in the year 2021? India. Which of the following is an example of a Babylon good? Apple iPhone. Recently, Assam exported 600 kg of Assam lemon Kaji Nemu to London. From which district were the lemon sourced? It is Baksha. Who is the father of macroeconomics? John Maynard Keynes. কিন্তু যদি সোধে ফাদাৰ অফ ইকনমিক্স তেতিয়াহ'লে আদাম স্মিথ হ'ব।